Should I go online to get the medication off-label or go the traditional route through my PCP? Ooh, I love this, because we don't often talk about off-label prescribing. And some experts think, including the FDA, that there could be as many as 1 in 5 medications are actually prescribed for an off-label use. But what does that mean? Well, the FDA will approve a medication for a specific use or uses. But what we might find out through the evidence is that actually the medication is also really good at something else. So like minoxidil is a great example. It was originally approved as a blood pressure medication, and then we found out it helped people grow hair. Now it's mostly prescribed for hair, either regrowth or saving your hair. The medication we're talking about here is Tirzepatide, right? So I did a video on that previously. That's that diabetes medication that people started taking years ago, and they started losing a bunch of weight. So now it's being prescribed off-label for weight loss, and it's working really great for a lot of people. So yeah, my default is always go to your primary care provider first, because they're gonna know your thorough health history, they're gonna know what medications you're on, what you've had reactions to in the past, things like that. Now, some of these organizations can be really good, these online ones. If they ask you to do labs, if they ask you a really thorough health history, it's probably okay and it's probably safe, but they're not all the same. So I would default to, with any new intervention or any new medication whatsoever, you always start with your primary care provider first.